Soft PVC Scrap Plastic Granulator Crusher Machine. Soft PVC Scrap Plastic Granulator Crusher Machine is suited for central reclamation of solid materials, thick bulky parts, heavy wall fittings, thick plugins, blocks, rods, high-impact applications, haystack, film, bowed fiber, thick sheet, cast blocks, engineering plastics, entire rig. At the core of our plastic granulator machine is an open rotor mounted with heavy-duty knives in either double scissor cut or V-shaped array based on your requirements. As the rotor is spun at high speeds, the rotor knives come in contact with stationary knives that are mounted within the cutting chamber. The material is continuously cut until they are small enough to pass through a screen filter. Generally speaking, sharp filter screens are between 10 毫米to 100毫米 but can be customized according to your requirements.